Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Many of you have been asking me to create this updated video to show you how to get cap breakers in NBA 2K26. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get all 28 cap breakers for free. So this is all of the available cap breakers, and yeah, these are pretty much only available using a working 2K26 locker code, because not many people know how to get all 28 cap breakers, but I'm going to be showing you in this video. So I've been reading tons of different guides and watching YouTube tutorials, guys, and yeah, this is a 2K26 locker code that you can redeem, and it is the fastest way to get cap breakers in 2K26. Before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because more tutorials are coming in the near future. So what you're going to want to do, guys, to get to your 2K26 cap breakers locker code is just use your mobile phone. Now, I know it sounds weird, you probably play on your PC or console, but you do just have to use your mobile phone. And what you're going to want to do is just head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So you can just type it like this into your mobile phone internet browser, and it's going to bring you to Cold Coupons, which is basically a game coupon code website. They actually have other things as well. They don't only have games, but yeah, I'm just going to scroll through and you can have a browse and see what else they have. But they have hundreds of pages and codes, guys, and they're always adding new codes, so I highly recommend you bookmark them and use them for whatever games you play. So go to the search bar and type in, let me just type that in, NBA 2K26, and there is a locker codes page here, guys. And what you're going to want to do now, as you can see, by the way, thousands of people have used this. Yeah, I actually found this website in another tutorial, but it didn't have many views, so I thought I'd share it with my subscribers. So scroll down and select this one. This is a 2K26 get all the cap breakers for free. So this is a locker code, guys, that, like I said, is going to actually give you all 28 cap breakers in 2K26. And yeah, this is the easiest and fastest method, and to be honest, guys, it's probably the only method to get the cap breakers. So 28 are pretty hard to get, and as you can see, you need to unlock your 2K26 code. That is because these are limited. There's 800, so there is a bunch of them, but yeah, they do go quite quick, and this does prevent people from basically taking all of the codes. So to get your personal code, you've got to click on this button here, blue button, and it's going to bring you to this code unlocker. Pretty self-explanatory, but this basically tells you how to unlock your 2K26 code. You need to complete 2 of the tasks. So basically, long story short, guys, you're going to have a list of tasks, as you can see, and they're all going to be completely free. You just need to select any 2 of them and complete them by making sure you do read the text below each one, because that's basically an instruction to tell you how to complete them. But there's simple things, like this one is a mobile game where you just download it and play it until a certain level. So you basically grab it from the App Store, and that one you have to complete level 13, but that's quite rare, to be honest. Most of them are just downloading and installing. You just have to read the text instructions. So once you complete 2 of them, I'm going to skip forward. So you're going to complete 2, and it will then reveal your locker code, and you just redeem it in the 2K26 locker code redemption page in game, and that is going to supply you, in this case, with all cap breakers. So yeah, super easy, guys. Head on over to Cold Coupons and then just find the 2K26 locker codes page and select the cap breakers code. That is how to get cap breakers in 2K26. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.